April 14th, 2020. So we're going to be working on this paper right here. It says, adding to 10 with my peeps. Look at all those peeps. Do you like peeps? There are, what color are peeps? There are yellow. I think I've seen pink ones. Anything else? Green maybe? Well, before we start this, I want to go over and review ways we can add. Okay, but we're going to be doing one way today, but let's go ahead and review all the different ways we can add. Okay, so here's our chart, and it says ways to add. Do you remember the symbol we use when we add? It looks like this. Do you remember what it's called? Plus. Okay, let's check out one way we can add. We can add using a 10 frame. Remember how many boxes are in a 10 frame? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, I don't have all of the boxes filled up, do I? But I have some red dots and some orangish yellow dots. How many red dots do I have? 1, 2, 3. How many orangish yellow dots do I have? 1, 2. Now when we add, do you remember what we do? Do we take apart or do we put together? We put them together. So let's count all of them together. See how many we get. 3 plus 2 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's one way we can add. Let's move this over. Let's see a different way. We can use our fingers. So I have 3 fingers up plus 2 more fingers. And if you count all the fingers up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Can you try that with your fingers? Put 3 fingers up on one hand like this. And then put 2 fingers up on the other hand. Now put them both together and count. I can't do that because I'm holding the camera. Can you do it though? Okay. Here's another way we can add. Drawing circles. You guys know how to do that, right? Okay, so right here is the number 3. So how many dots should I draw? How many circles? 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, so we have 3 circles. How many circles should I draw here? 2. 1, 2. Now when we add, we put them together. So let's circle them. So we know to count them all. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, here's another way we can add. We can count on. We can start with the big number first and count on. Can you try? Start with 3. Now we know we need to add 2 more. 3, 4, 5. 3 plus 2 equals 5. This one's hard. It takes some practice, but you keep practicing, okay? Now here's another way we can count. We can use objects. We can use objects. What objects have we used at school to help us count? Counters, counting bears. Do you remember when we used stickers to count? Or today, we're going to be using some Peeps. Okay, so let's see. Let's get these Peeps out of my way. Move, Peeps. Okay, how many Peeps do I need over here? 3. 1, 2, 3. There's my group of Peeps. Now I need another group for 2. Well, let's make him backwards or upside down. 1. Let's make him upside down 2. 2. So we have a group of 3 right here and a group of 2 right here being so silly. Now we have to add them all together, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so get out your paper. The first thing we're gonna do is write our name. And you guys know my name is Sarah. So I'm gonna write up here nice and neat. I'm writing in pen so you can see, but make sure you use your pencil, okay? All right, there we go. Has my name. All right, the next thing you need is a pair of scissors. Now these are big adult scissors, but they're very pointy, so you have to be very careful if you're using something like this. Hopefully you have small scissors, but remember we put our fingers on the bottom, thumb on top. That's the way we cut, cut, cut. And you're gonna cut all the peeps out, okay? Be very careful. All right, friends, I cut out all the peeps. Did you cut out all your peeps too? Okay, let's see how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We should have 10 peeps. But before we start, I forgot to do something. Can you see what I forgot to do? I forgot to write the date. Do you know what the date is? Well, this number means April 4 dash. Today is Tuesday, April 14th. So let's write a 14 right here. Dash. What year is it? 2020. Good. So we have our name and the date. Check to make sure that you have your name and your date. Okay. Now let's start on the first problem together, okay? It says cut out the peeps along the bottom of this page. We did that. Good job. Use them to help you solve the addition problems. So we need to use all these peeps to help us, okay? Look at the first one. How many peeps are right here? 2. 1, 2. Plus, how many peeps are right here? There aren't any. We have to figure out how many peeps go right here. So it equals 10. If we put 2 plus 0, does that equal 10? No. So, I wonder how we can use this to help us. Well, do you see there's a group right here? Maybe if we put a group right here plus another group, that can equal 10. How many peeps do we have? 10. So we'll need all these peeps. Let's try this. Let's put our 2 peeps up here. And then we'll see how many peeps are at the bottom. 1, 2. 2 peeps plus this many peeps all together equals 10. Let's count and see how many peeps are in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 peeps plus 8 peeps equals all together 10. Let's write 8 right here, okay? Do you remember how to write an 8? Make an S, then close the gate. I'm even gonna do some dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Those dots represent these peeps. I don't want to draw peeps. I think it'll take me too long. Okay, let's move our peeps down. So we have 10 peeps. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's try this one. I wonder what that number is. Let's count and see how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's a group of 9 right here. I wonder how many more Peeps do we need so it equals 10. Well, let's use our Peeps down here. How many Peeps do we have? We have 10. So if we put 9 up here, the ones that are left over will tell us what's missing in our math sentence. Okay, be very careful. There's a lot of Peeps. We got to move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Did you move your Peeps? Okay, while you're moving them, I'm going to recount and make sure I have 9 up here. If you're finished too, recount and make sure that you have 9 with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 Peeps plus how many Peeps? 1 equals 10. So let's put 1 right here. Okay, how many dots am I going to put to represent my Peeps? 1. Let's read our math sentence. 9 plus 1 equals 10. Now, I want to see what you can do. Let's reset our Peeps first. We're going to reset them. Be careful, okay? Don't lose any of your pieces. Okay, now I want to see what you can do by yourself, okay? So right now I want you to pause the video. Don't click it off, just pause it. Then when you come back, we'll check our work, okay? Go ahead and pause it. All right, are you ready to check your answers? If not, pause the video. Okay, are you ready to check your work? If you're not finished with all the problems, pause the video. Okay, let's go over our work. Up here we have the ones that we did together. 2 plus 8 equals 10. 9 plus 1 equals 10. 7 plus 3 equals 10. Did you get that? Good job. Look at this one. 3 plus 7 equals 10. Did you get that? Give yourself a big pat on the back. Good job. Okay, how about this one? Did you get this? 4 Peeps plus 6 Peeps equals 10. Did you get that? Good job. Okay, here's our last one. 5 Peeps plus 5 Peeps equals 10. Thank you so much for working so hard for me, okay? Now here's what I want you to do to grade your paper. I want you to give yourself a really big smiley face at the top. And then give it some crazy hair and some big ears. All right, I'll see you later. Good job working so hard.